Welcome all. Today we have rotisserie lamb with rosemary and thyme. Okay, so a nice lamb shoulder here. In a bowl I have mixed up 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that all over, get it up everywhere. Now I have 3 or 4 sprigs of rosemary. Get them in there if you can. Get one underneath. And we're good to go. Okay, put it on the rig now. Coals aren't quite hot enough, but will do. Okay, we're in now about 40 minutes. We're getting there. We're on an hour now. I'm going to top up the coals if we need to. Okay, an hour and 50 minutes there now. If you have a good look, you'll see it basting in its own juices. Okay, 2 hours 20 minutes. Time to check the internal temperature now. Okay, so I let this go to 169 for well done. And if you can, let it rest for 15 minutes. But if you can't, chop it up and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and give us a like. Bye bye and take it easy.